In a world where financial systems are slow, expensive, and outdated, a new kind of digital asset was born, not to replace money, but to transform how it moves. After Bitcoin shook the world in 2009, visionary minds began to wonder what if there was a better way, not just to store value, but to move it across the globe in seconds. In 2012, 3 developers, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito, envisioned a faster, more efficient blockchain network. They created XRP, a digital asset that could settle transactions in just 3-5 seconds. Together, they teamed up with entrepreneur Chris Larsen to launch a company that would build a global payment solution. This company would be known as Ripple. But XRP wasn't just another cryptocurrency. It was designed to solve a real-world problem: cross-border payments. While traditional systems take days and charge high fees, XRP could move money from one country to another instantly and affordably. XRP found real-world utility. Banks, fintechs, and remittance companies began testing it for cross-border settlements. With RippleNet and on-demand liquidity (ODL), money could flow like information, fast and frictionless. Today, Ripple is working with central banks, building infrastructure for the next generation of digital money. XRP isn't just surviving, it's evolving. MagScript decrypting crypto